How to verify exness account in Nigeria. Okay, so after creating your exness account, it being a demo account or a real account, what I have to do is just log in. So when you log in, under the deposit side, you see that verification required. Okay, this verification required, it means we have to continue our profile. And when you look at the right hand top corner, you see that complete profile. Just click on it. Okay, so after you click on it, it will bring you here. We have it in 3 steps. You are going to verify your email, phone number, and then your personal information. So let's first verify the email. What I have to do is just click on send me a code. Okay, then they are going to send you a code into your email address, whereby you're going to copy it and then come and paste it here. So as you can see, this is the code. Just highlight it, copy it, and then come and paste it right here and hit on continue. Okay, after clicking on the continue, the next thing that you have to do is to verify your phone number. Okay, and one thing that you have to know is that it has to be your primary phone contact number. Okay, you have to use your own phone number that you have been using, because they are going to verify it. Okay, what I have to do is just put it here, your Nigerian phone number, put it there, and then they are going to send you SMS or even call you. Okay, so it depends on you, anyone that you choose. Then you click on send me a code. So they are going to send you a code, you put it here, then you click on continue. After that, the next thing is the personal information. Here you are going to put in your first name, then your last name, then you are going to select your gender, if you are female, a male, or other. Okay, then you select your date of birth, that is the day, the month, and then the year. Then you put in your address here. Okay, then you hit on continue. Okay, after clicking on the continue, then you see this showing up telling you that you have successfully completed the first stage. Okay, and the next stage is to verify your residential address by sending them a proof of your identity. Okay, so as you can see, all I have to do is to simply click on continue verification, and the first step is the economic profile. Over here you are going to select the work that you have been doing. Okay, just click on the down arrow and then go through and then select the industry that you are working in. Okay, if yours is not in, simply select the other. Okay, the next question is, what is your employment status? Just select any of these. If you are employed, if you are self-employed, if you are employed part-time, unemployed, student, or retired, select any of them. The next question is, do you have previous trading experience? If you have it, select it. If it is 1 year or 2 years or 3 years or 4 years, or if you don't even have any trading experience, just select it. The next question is, what is the purpose of you opening the account? Is it investment, hedging, or speculation? Then you select it. The next one is to select your annual income. Just select the right one for you. Okay, just be honest, because any of them that you select, your account will be created for you. The next thing is select your total wealth. Okay, it being any of these figures, just select it. Okay, then the next question is select your source of income and wealth. It means savings, employment, rent, borrowed funds, pension, inheritance. Just select any of them, and then the next thing that you have to do is just click on continue. Okay, then what you're going to do is to verify your document. Okay, so over here you are simply going to upload your document. That is all. It is as easy as ABC. And you can simply edit the name if you don't want it. If the name was spelled wrongly, you can edit it and then just click on upload document. Okay, so what you're going to do is to verify your identity. Under verification of the identity, you can select your country and then you can use any of these identification documents to verify. Okay, either passport, driver's license, if you have an ID card, or any of them. If you have insurance card too, it is also allowed, or even the voter's card. Okay, then what you are going to do is to take a picture of this ID card after selecting any of them that you want. After taking the picture, all that you have to do is to make sure that you go with the do's and the don'ts. Okay, the do's, make sure that all the 4 corners of the picture is showing, and then the don'ts, don't take any blur picture. Okay, after that you can simply upload this picture with your phone or use the laptop or desktop computer. Okay, all I have to do is to just click on upload the front of your document. When it is done, just click on upload the back of your document, and then when you are done, all I have to simply do is to click on submit document. Okay, it is as easy as ABC. Then you verify your document. Over here it says verify residence. Okay, so that is the next thing that you are going to do. So what you're going to do is to simply upload any of these. If you're having the bank statement, if you're having the utility bill, if you're having any of these, you can simply upload them. Okay, and what you have to know is that it shouldn't be more than 6 months old before it was issued to you. You can use the tax identification number, any of them. Okay, so all I have to do is just take a picture, and then it has to follow the do's and don'ts of taking a picture, as we have already talked about. Okay, so all I have to do is to just take a good picture, and then you can upload it with your phone, or you can upload it with the laptop computer or the desktop computer. All I have to do is just come and click on upload your proof of residence document. You can use your phone or the laptop. Okay, so when you are done, just click on submit documents. So after clicking on submit document, you see this. It says that your documents are under review. Okay, and you are going to hear from them within 3 to 7 minutes, but in some issues it might take 24 hours. Okay, and when you go inside your email, you will see that they have sent you this showing that they have successfully received your documents, and then it was successful, and your identification document has been verified. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Like it, and then see you in my next video.